Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to buy Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to buy Bitcoin. At the very top, right next to Receive, you will see a button like this called as Buy. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, from here what you can see are all the different cryptos available. Simply select Bitcoin right here, and from this section what you need to do is simply enter the money amount. I'm gonna enter it right now. As you can see, I have entered the amount. Once you've done that, click on this button right here that says Pay with Credit Card. Click on it. Now from here what you can do is simply change the way that you can pay with. It can be either credit card, Google Pay or bank transfer. Likewise, you can select the provider as well. Simply select whatever you wish. And once everything's okay, simply click on Buy with Credit Card. Once you do that, it might ask for your verification, provide it, and that is it. That's how you buy Bitcoin. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.